With MRO representing more than 10% of total airline costs, it's essential to keep it under control. But calculating the best cost and time frame of material is challenging when you have no reliable and centralized reference for what a spare part is worth, and you can't determine its true value and actual availability. Is keeping extensive parts inventories the best way to optimize operational efficiencies and material costs? And how do we value them for purchase, sale, teardown, depreciation, and tax? With a part's fair market value and true availability, you could plan, buy, and sell with confidence. With a part's selling price and lead time, you can make the best decision for your operational needs. With access to all this information, your organization can optimize stock levels, unlock spares value, control costs, and make quicker decisions. IATA MRO SmartHub is a digital platform that simplifies valuation, procurement, and sale of spare parts. The Evaluator module determines the fair market value of any used aircraft part, utilizing customer-provided information, real-time statistics, and actual transaction data. When you inquire about the value of a part, you get an overview of purchase prices, indications of repair cost based on its condition, lead times, and fair market value. Using these parameters, the evaluator will recommend the best course of action. The connector module simplifies doing business with your preferred partners. With a single interface, you can exchange information on quantities, price, true availability, and lead time of parts easily with all your partners through preferred trading channels. Together with Evaluator, it ensures you always have the latest fair market value to transact. IATA MRO SmartHub is a neutral platform designed to shed light on the surplus aftermarket and reduce industry costs. Airlines, MROs, and aftermarket suppliers are already engaging on the platform. Come into the light. Join the MRO SmartHub community today.